Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Lexus clock easy method. Begin by turning the ignition to accessory and locate the H and M buttons near the display. Press and hold H to advance hours, then press M to change minutes until the display shows the correct time. Confirm the setting by cycling the ignition off and on. If needed, switch between 12-hour versus 24-hour format in the settings menu. Access the infotainment system and go to the Setup or Settings menu to find clock options. Use the touch screen or knob to select time, then choose Manual Adjust to change hours and minutes precisely. Make small adjustments and use the Confirm or OK button to save the new time. If your model supports synchronization, consider syncing with GPS or smartphone time for automatic accuracy and less manual resetting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and prevent spills when you're on the go in your Lexus. They're perfect for lunches after service visits or road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours and save time. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the H and M buttons do not respond, check fuses and ensure the ignition is in accessory mode before trying again. For infotainment clocks that behave oddly, look for a system update or reboot to clear glitches that affect timekeeping. Remember that disconnecting the battery will reset the clock and require manual re-entry, so have your procedures ready. If problems persist, consult a service manual or contact your dealer for guided support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.